Okay, the next car is an FJ Cruiser. Let's find out how a Toyota will work it out on this kind of terrain, huh? Look at that. Let's see. Let's find out how good the tires are. This is a test for Toyota. Defender was able to do it. Now, I think the Toyota car can do it. He's almost there. Huh? Looks like a brand new car, and hope it doesn't get scratches. Cole, what do you think? Will the car be able to do it? Huh?
I don't know.
Huh? Come on, Cole.
I don't know.
Huh? What do you think? This is a good test. Huh? Huh? Look at that, oh. Look at those tires. Give me. I'll close up on the tires. Oh, left now, left. Oh, yes.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yes. Yes, the car is safe. Driver safe. Everybody safe. Oh. That's all because of the owners who are here present. Danny Xavier and the assistant JV, together with the lovely daughter. There she is. Pare, ayos ba yung kotse mo?
Ayos na ayos.
Gasos lang naman ang problema. Part of the fun, huh?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, those couple are really happy. Oh, it's a family. Imagine, huh? The family inside the car on an off-road. Okay. Another car.
Actually, it's my husband who recognized
I think it's another Hilux. Look at the Hilux. You need a good driver to maneuver this pickup, huh? And watch the tires. That's the secret. Todo raw, todo. And atras daw, atras. Sabi ni JV, op. Now, abante. Good advice. Yes. And no problem for this pickup. Yes, almost falling apart. Huh? Good work by the driver, huh? Very good driver, huh? Sino ba driver dyan? Galing, ah. What's the name of the driver? Anyway, the driver of the Toyota Hilux. He's a good driver, huh? Okay, they have to move the other cars in front, so when the other cars come in, they won't have a problem. All right. So the next car is a red car. I don't know if it's a Toyota car.